It says Fauna was 98.7 centimeters tall last year. Her height is 1.03 meters this year. How many centimeters has Fauna grown since last year? All right, before I start figuring this out, I'm going to grab my handy dandy chart that I love so much and pull it over here. And that's going to help me figure out what to do to figure out how many, looks like centimeters to meters. Okay. And what units do they want us to put or answer the question is? Yes. So we need to say how many centimeters. So which height do I need to change? Okay, I have last year. So last year was 98.7 centimeters. Do I need to change that first or the other one?
The other one.
Yes, I need to change 1.03 meters and go to centimeters. All right, so I have 98.7 centimeters for last year.
103 centimeters.
All right, how did you do that? What did you do? What operation? What did you do?
Times 100.
Yeah, so you took 1.03. So this is this year. So you took 1.03 times 100, I believe. 1.03 times 100. And what did you get? Well, we don't actually need to do this. Okay, let's do this the faster way, and that is to move the decimal, right? So let's just take this decimal and move it how many places to the right?
Two.
2 places to the right. 1, 2, and there it goes. And then I can erase my old decimal. And the answer for that, or not the answer, but at least her height this year is, we know, 103 centimeters. Okay, so I know last year was 98.7. This year she is 103. She's gotten taller. But how much taller is the question? So what do we need to do now? What do we need to do now? Yeah, we need to subtract. And so I need to take 103 minus 98. Ooh, you have to be careful here, guys. Careful how you write this one. Slow down and make sure you get this right. 98.7. Okay. Now, what do I do here? What's missing, or what do I need to do next to subtract these properly?
Add 0.0 at the back of 100.
Yeah, so we need to add 0.0 there, right? Okay. All right, so we did that. We have 103. So what does this become? Help me out. 10, right? And what's this?
12.
Yeah, 12. Okay, and what's this?
9.
9, and this is cancels, right? All right, so then we'll just do 3 and bring our decimal straight down. Okay, 12 minus 8 should be 4, and
4.3 centimeters.
Is that the right answer there? 4.3 what?
Centimeters.
4.3 centimeters. You are correct. Thank you. Okay, so we have 4.3 centimeters for that one. Okay, and let's keep.
Sarah bought 4 rolls of rum. Each
4
roll
rolls. Yes.
rolls.
Mhm.
Each roll of rope was 2.1 meters long. She used 317 centimeters of rope to make a fence. How many? What?
How many meters?
Meters of rope was left?
Yeah, and I spell meters differently. I know it looks funny to me too. I spell it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's got 4 rolls of rope here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each roll of rope was 2.1 meters. Okay. So she used 317 centimeters. And what are my units going to be in my answer?
Meters.
Meters. So what's the first thing we do before we try to figure this out even? What do we need to do first here?
Change into meters.
Not mine.
All right, and what do you guys think there? This is how many meters there?
3.17.
Yeah, 3.17 meters. Okay, so we could write 3.17 meters. All right, and do we know our total? How much did we start with rope? Was it 2.1 or what do we think there? Each roll of rope, there were 4 rolls. So that's how much she used already. This is how much she used, but how much total rope did we start with? Anyone have a guess? We can do that in our heads, right? 2.1. Really, we're taking 2.1 and doing what?
Times.
Yeah, times what?
4.
Times 4. Okay, and we should get what? For our total rope. Before we subtract, we should get, oh my goodness. All right, we should get 4 and then 8, so that'd be 8.4 meters, right? And then we need to take 8, did I do that right? Yeah.
Yes.
8.4 and do what? Here we need to slow down a little bit, just make sure we write this correctly. What do I need to do now?
Subtract.
Yeah, subtract. I think it's gonna fly out again, oh my goodness. Okay, subtract 3.17. First step here is to add this 0 here. Make sure you add that 0, okay? And then we can subtract fine. So help me out, guys. What do I get for my answer?
5.23.
All right, so I get 5.23. And what are my units?
Meters.
5.23 meters. All right, perfect. We did it. Great job, guys.